What it do, YouTube? My name is Chava Shoots. We are shooting with my people from church, Bible study. We're teaching two new shooters how to shoot, how to handle guns safely, and pretty much that's it. Hope you enjoy this video. Go for it. Come on, Brandy.
I'm not gonna shoot right there.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry. That would have been right. You guys would have been right in the line of fire, bro.
Who knows how to throw?
Sorry. I can't. My eyes small.
My boy.
You got me, Jeff?
I have a clay shooter, but the dart is too hard for it, so it doesn't actually fit in.
Is it like a frisbee?
Yeah.
Right now, wait, 1 second.
There you go.
Ah, no. Woo, is that bad throw?
A little further if you can.
1, 2. I think I'm out. Oh no. 1, 2. I'm out now. There you go, Chava. Hey.
Too close.
Grab it.
Too close. Yeah, boy, Elmo.
Me, yeah, I got like one more round.
Alright, let me throw it.
Let me see.
Let's see how Twan does it. That's too close, man. There you go. Nice toss, Twan.
There you go. This is my thing. This gun loves and hates me at the same time. Sometimes it moves so smooth, sometimes it does not.
Alright, I gotta shoot with this.
Wanna shoot with that?
That was so easy.
Randy, you want to try again?
What happened?
Want to try again?
No.
No?
Next time.
Let's see. See if I can hit 100 yards with this AR-15.
I'll get the AR, get the shotgun.
Damn, I lost the target. I'm still new to this. Let's see. That is kind of far. Hit, miss. My hat's in the way, man. This is about 150 yards. You guys probably can't even see it on the camera. I'm gonna learn my stance correctly. I suck. Need more practice. Huh? The 100? Yeah.
Fire.
I just gotta practice more of my stance. That's why it's important to practice with your gun.
Yeah.
Take time to go to the range and practice with all your weapons. What's the whole point of having a gun if you don't know how to shoot it?
If the real one's shady, please come
Please
this way.
stand up.
Stand up. So, little birdie told me it's a birthday Monday. And you're in the 150, so I brought a little something.
Don't cry, Twan. It's okay, bro. Wait, take off your glasses?
Don't cry, brother.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
Tell him the twist,
So,
Steve.
well, if we all just sing first.
So you can,
Just like really take it in. I think we got tape or something.
Hey, what think about the knife?
Come on now.
Well done.
Told you never lacking, Randy.
Need one? Combat Scout. No, not what is it? Scout carry?
So what's up, bro? You just turned 30 or what?
Who told it's my birthday?
There we go.
You did. You
I
told
got
me.
scared, like, I'm
Yeah,
by
I forget where it is because usually I don't put my belt correctly, so sometimes I do guess where it is.
2,
3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Twan. Happy birthday to you.
Light it up, baby.
Where's my steak?
So we
you
didn't
want
bring any
steak.
forks or plates, but you know
All
what?
right, dude.
We're at the range.
We just spread it and each of us should just have a bite.
Yep.
All
He's
together
gonna
at
eat it
once?
all like that.
Come on, you're gonna shoot it up when you're 308.
Shoot it.
He's like, I'd rather eat it.
It's been sitting in the truck for the last couple hours. You could eat it, but I think it'd be more therapeutic.
What flavor is it?
Is it an ice cream cake?
It's chocolate on the inside.
Oh, it's chocolate.
He's like, I hate chocolate.
Blow it up.
Shoot it.
Or you can shoot it up.
I can shoot it up.
Shoot it up.
Yeah.
You get it with your 308 with the shotgun.
Yeah, sure.
All right, I'm gonna put it on top of
Travis, if you can get you on recording.
Keep
Yeah.
it within range.
Asking dummy rounds getting a lot more comfortable shooting everything now. I was able to, before I wouldn't be able to just pick up any gun and know how to use it and all that. You know, the charging handle, the safety, all that stuff. How to drop the mag.
Get my proper stance.
Yeah, Peter.
Actually, let me shoot this 50-yard one. Yeah, I gotta beat that in. Get a better precision. And I practice more with my AR, so yeah, I gotta get out here and shoot, practice, get some more of that shooting in. Let me see, like Randy gonna shoot God's Caliber 45 ACP because they run 2 World Wars to all my FUDs. Ready? Safety down. No, safety down, and then you could rack it. There you go.
Ice cream man's back.
Ice cream man is back.
Oh, it's because I wasn't holding the thing.
No, let me see. It
I wasn't holding this down.
no, there wasn't even one in the.
Oh,
You gotta smack it in there, boy.
it wasn't in there all the way.
There you go.
Good.
There you go. Don't so when you shoot, that's why you're missing, because you instantly jerk down.
Oh, okay.
So you gotta let the trigger surprise you, and if it goes up, it goes up.
Okay.
Because if you flinch, you push the bullet down before it gets to the target. So that helps you outshoot, you know. You could practice that at home.
Yeah.
Dry fire. There you go. There you go. Put more pressure with your left hand on the gun. There you go. There you go. It's out. You see how you flinched?
Yeah.
That's why you missed, because
Yeah,
you
it's like natural though.
Yeah.
Like I'm not even thinking about it.
yeah, that's how it is. So
Okay,
that's
gotcha.
cool. But yeah, you too.
That's funny.
That's why it's good to dry fire at home.
Yeah.
Buy yourself some dummy rounds when you go shoot. Load 5 hot rounds. Put a dummy in there, and you see if you flinch. Then you gotta practice with that at home. Dry fire. Learn your trigger. You know, because if you keep jerking the gun down, you ain't gonna hit nothing.
Yeah.
That's what my cousin did the first time we took him shooting.
Okay.
He came out all freaking pistoletto, bro. He came out. He's like, he said, "Pa pa 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 pa." Whole mag, bro. Ain't hit nothing, bro. I ain't gonna say your name out here, but that's why you gotta practice, bro.
You gotta know who you're talking about.
Yeah, he gonna know. I don't know if he's subscribed yet, but yeah. He came out so hot. He was, bro, bro, if I would have stand in front of him, I would have been safe. It was probably safer downrange than next to him. Boy, Corey's gonna shoot Glock 19 stock. Actually, I need to load up some mags for him so he could shoot the custom. Where are you aiming? High or low? A little high, right? You could also use the light as a gas pedal too, if you a little thumb rest,
The guns.
depending on your grip.
Or anything. Any gun. I don't have, I'm not really familiar with shotguns,
So I got my boy Steve right here. He's asking me if my Ramjet makes a significance. So he's gonna shoot a stock Glock 19 and a compensated with the Radiant Ramjet and afterburner on this Glock 19 with the Hollow Sun and a Surefire X300. I got a mag already.
Oh, thank you.
Just shoot 5 out of that one and then 5 into the other one. I'll let you see. Or actually shoot this one, stock, and then that one. That way you see the difference. It's cool, you can leave one in the pipe. I'll just holster it. There you go. Let me see if you're in camera. Alrighty, there you go. Let the YouTube people know.
Scuba Steve.
Scuba Steve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. I know there's one in the pipe. There we go. Alright, there's one in the pipe right there. I think I was in the way the whole time of you shooting. That Magula reloader be helping, saving your fingers. Alrighty, he's shooting it. So what you think?
Day, baby.
Smoother?
Smoother.
Smoother.
What's it? Once you got that sight lined up, Hollow Sun, you can't go wrong.
Yeah, it's good, right? It does make a difference. It's more smoother, less recoil. It's not as snappy as the stock one.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little getting adjusted to my Glock at home as far as discipline, but it's nice.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you for being in my video. Subscribe and I'll shout you out. Like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe. If you want, you could Zelle, Venmo me.
Well, it's confidential. I was like, dude, what is? Yeah. It's worth this. This is America. Well, technically it's Italian. Yeah, I used to do that.
Martin right here is gonna shoot my Glock 19. Let's get his impressions. He shot a stock Glock 19, so we'll see. So the red dot, you can see the red dot. You gotta bring a little more down. See it? do you think? Smooth?
Yeah.
It's less like snappy than the stock one, huh?
So you gotta, once you hit one, yeah, there you go.
Damn, you're keeping that thing flat, my boy. Say what's up to you two. Say what's up to
What's
Kevin.
good, YouTube? How are ya? This shit's dope, bro. Yeah,
My boy Martin.
I'm excited.
Let's show him Glock 19. Let's see if we get it in frame. There we go. Nothing. Something slight. No. Some Talon grips, Holosun, Surefire, Radiant Ramjet, and a little cut on top of the slide.
That shit's it.
You try it yet?
What?
You try
Oh, not yet. I was waiting for the people down there to get out the way. Ooh, that trigger finger. My boys, Corey's AK. That's how it shoots. I know. I didn't correctly chamber it around. You know, you gotta do it Russian style. You gotta go under. But I haven't really shot a shotgun.
So you adjust it, move this up like that. You know.
Honestly, okay. When Corey proposed this, the goal was to educate people.
Don't be embarrassed, bro. It happens to the best of us.
So like, as far as like,
All guns
if
are
you guys
down after a
shoot
while.
of everything, I got to shoot some cool air shots.
It's smooth. It's like an AR, bro.
Yeah, pretty much. I think with the Strike Industries muzzle brake 2, I think I only paid like 50 or so on it. So it really helps.
There you go.
LG trigger, plus it's like dummy
Yeah, the
heavy,
LG trigger's smooth.
How you like it?
Bro, it's smooth as hell.
honestly.
Bro, that's crazy.
Next time, when we come back,
I didn't think it was gonna be that smooth. I was expecting for that kickback like my Zastava, like
Oh no, not at all. That's why I was shooting yours. I was like, oh dang.
it made me drop my mic. No. Hold it real quick.
I got it.
There's one in the chamber.
Oh, okay. Yeah, for that one?
You did it? Yeah. No, you did, bro.
The little magnet.
are you roll back with us, or are you trying to catch the rest of the
Should be good. There we go. Technical difficulties.
Oh good.
Hey, hey.
That's how good this TK is. It dropped my mic.
Take about an hour and a half to get
Yeah,
back.
I can.
Oh, wait. So he's done.
I'm a little blind on my right eye.
Oh,
It's like kind of blurry, so
oh no worries.
that's fine. And then since it's like white, I could barely see it.
Oh for sure.
Yeah, let me see. Empty. Empty safe. There you go.
No problem.
I think you got it tight in.
That's nice.
Gotta learn how to control this recoil. Try out that. Alrighty, there we go. What you think, Ari?
It's pretty cool.
Cool, smooth?
Yeah, definitely. I just like used to shooting 9mm. That
Yeah.
I forget like 45 kind of kicks.
How do you hold it?
So I think usually I'll try to keep the high grip on it, something like that. But I guess I just wasn't holding as
Yeah.
hard because it was just kind of like coming up. So
I'll show
really get
you.
used
I'll
to
show
it.
these people how to shoot a 1911. So usually how I shoot it to control recoil, I put my thumb on the safety. So I put my thumb on the safety like this,
Use it as, like, a
and
ledge.
then sign it up, and it helps with the recoil. Because you know it's like a thumb ledge. So that's how I shoot it, and it usually shoots lower,
Oh, okay.
like less recoil. We could try it out right now.
I haven't-
Chava. Yeah. On the back. There you go. How do you like it?
It's a Glock.
It's Glock?
Yeah, we ramjet, right?
Yeah. Glock perfection or what? Got my boy Twan helping me sight in my Glock 19.
Yeah, that's the only problem with reading it. It lags or it keeps going down. That's off, yeah. It's kind of embarrassing.
Hopefully this audio sounds good because hopefully it doesn't cut out because I'm facing away from the camera.
Is that green?
Oh, yeah.
Here, try it with your thumb on the ledge. It's on. Let's see.
That's right.
Right. Oh, thank you. Alright, shoot, I could hit these still targets real quick. Oh, there's people walking down the range. Appreciate it, Juan. My boy Corey right here is gonna try the little tip I taught him on how to shoot a 1911 with your right thumb. What you think? Helps out,
Yeah, that helps out a lot.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a
A little lever.
Yeah, dude. That's actually really
It helps
nice.
out.
Weird.
That way, hold it down. It's still gonna have a little, kick to it, but
Yeah,
it smooths
does
it
help
out.
I had a little bit more control over it.
More
so,
control, right?
for sure. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Like I said, I didn't read regulations yet.
You really have to tap into safety. There's two.
Like, weirdo. Like, yeah, evil. Like, That's one.
You're out. All right, take care, brother. Thank you too. There you go. He hit it.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll talk to girls next time. Yeah, we'll figure it out with them.
Hit. What do you think?
Kind of heavy.
Yeah. It's billet aluminum.
Yeah.
My
I thought
next.
mine was heavy, but then mine is like light
Yeah.
compared to this one.
And then I do. This light is pretty heavy.
Yeah.
The LPVO.
Take care. Good day.
You're out. Alrighty. Take care, brother. Got my boy right here, Steven, teaching
Don't take that on.
Matt how to shoot an AR. Is it on? I can't hit nothing with that AR, man. With the AK, I mean.
I think I have to aim like slightly lower.
Slug.
Yeah, because I think I hit high. And it just
How's your shoulder? It hurts, huh?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, I need to get that butt pad for it. Or actually, we don't even gotta walk down. I actually have your holder real
You
quick.
use your rangefinder?
No, I have actually binoculars. I forgot. I'd be forgetting.
Where my keys at? Let's see. This is the Staba M70. Shouts out to my cousin. She bought me some Leupold binoculars. Huh?
He's talking to Joe, I think.
Oh, I'm talking to myself. I'm over here just talking to you. Yeah.
We're all listening again, dude.
Shouts out to my cousin Dahlia. She hooked me up with these for Christmas.
Oh, nice.
Some Leupold, the Costco ones.
How long you guys gonna be here?
Me, probably a.
Till 1. Huh? I gotta go back by 1. To 1 o'clock?
So probably like
I'm not sure about everyone else.
probably 12.
You gotta get back by 1 or?
I have to be on the road by 1.
Oh, okay.
To get to work on time.
I'm chilling right now.
Me, I'll probably stay.
Yeah.
These are like,
I have works.
you should be more accurate too. Because,
Like, oh, I'm sick.
is there anything in here? Yes.
I know how.
Are there,
Got shot.
yeah.
Got it.
If, not, if you pull the trigger again, there's nothing in there, just cock it back again.
You're like a white dog.
So like Matthew, this is. Didn't you get shot last week, Matthew?
Or shoot at the paper one. I'll tell you. Let me see where it's hitting. I think it's hitting still to the high right.
Am I right now?
I think so. Yeah. Just aim right at the red. There you go.
Yeah.
It's shooting low right.
It's low right?
Yeah. Yeah. Low right. Where's the little tool? Got it right here. So let me see.
Can't wait to, man. You get yourself an AK. AR.
Maybe in 5 years.
Next time, invite your brother too.
What happened?
Invite your brother too.
Yeah, I sent him a video. He goes, "Hey, sick invite."
He's gonna hate. Alright, let's see. I'm right at the head.
I'll let Peter shoot it first. And then,
Hold it real quick. Okay, so I aimed right at the head. Where'd I put the binoculars? Oh, I'll be losing stuff. Let me see.
be more accurate, guaranteed. And you already felt a little bit mag, a little easier to shoot. So that's solid. And same thing, you let
Okay, still shooting right. It's at a good level. Probably go one more up and a couple more to the right. Let me see. Let's see if we can get Twan out the way. I don't want to hit him. Flag him.
Why don't you show me? If you can teach me how to do it, I know you can. I know you can fire
I think that should be good. Well, let's see if I can hit this right here. I think roughly, I think I set it in, but if you want to load another mag in, we'll see if it. I think this one they haven't shot it, so we could see clearly where it's hitting.
Which one?
This one right here on the right.
The white one?
No, well the paper target.
Oh, okay.
I think it's pretty empty. If you want to go load up.
Where's my? I got 2 empty mags
Is
right
that
here.
too? Oh, bet.
I bought that like right before
Hey, shoot your
Yeah. Do I got a mag? They got one. Let me know. I'm gonna try to bump fire my AK right now in a bit. We changed the angles on this YouTube channel. Excuse me. Sorry.